Great to be here at... Career Day? Ugh.
360 flip.
Sonic the Hedgehog! Hi.
Maybe next time.
Yeah, next time. I'll see you real soon, Sonic.
What?
Hey, want to sit with me? Chili dog fries and a grape soda.
I got an orange soda.
This is all wrong!
Of course, he's the first one who doesn't criticize everything I do.
Look at this!
Orange soda. Me too. Great having lunch with you.
Did you mail the package?
Sonic!
Here.
It's almost done. I just gotta finish the arms.
My vulnerable hamstrings.
I'll meet you guys at the theater.
Hey, I want to spend all my time with you. I'm nursing you back to health.
Shouldn't I see a doctor?
Oh, aren't we crossed today?
Who would have thought the secret of the garbage was love?
Let's act out my Sonic fan fiction. I'll pick something family-friendly. I'll play the role as Sonic. You could be Tails.
Wouldn't it make more sense if I was Sonic?
Quiet, Tails!
What was that? The last picture always faces northeast. This is facing north-northeast. You tried to escape!
Escape? No. I was just searching for more of that fan fiction of yours. Ooh, Son Amy. Spicy.
You'll have to eat it off of one of my collectible plates.
They aren't food!
Do you know where Sonic is?
Nope, haven't seen him.
Quiet, Tails!
You were all injured by a cleverly designed booby trap that I had nothing to do with.
We need to take him out.
But we're all injured.
You're going down, Mark. Oh, no! My fragile, broken... Wait a minute.
You always overdo it with the sports tape.
This is the greatest day of my life!
You're fired. At least I learned to keep a healthy relationship with my fans.